Hi there, welcome back. In this worksheet, we want to enter the data of a customer. We want two primary columns, customer ID, which is unique, and customer name. Of course, we don't want to enter a duplicate number or text in the ID column, but it is human to make a mistake. A way to prevent us from making these mistakes is to use data validation feature and count if. What is count if? If function. When we are trying to count the number of times we have an item appearing in a list of tests, a value in a test, or a list of dates, the function COUNTIF should be used. I'll show you right away. Let's put some numbers in column A. Now go to cell C2. COUNTIF defines the range where we are looking. In our case, column A, comma, and if you want to know how often the number 8 appears in our list, we type A for cell. Look at the result. It's 3 because 3 times this number appears. We want the result of a function to be equal to 1. To prevent duplication, delete the numbers and highlight column A. Go to the Data tab, Data Validation. On the Setting tab, on the Allow criteria, choose Custom. In the formula box, type equal COUNTIF parenthesis a column, comma, A1 means every cell in column A. Right parenthesis and all this equal to 1. What do I mean by that? I tell Excel to check all the values in column A, and each value will be unique and it will only appear once. So start putting some numbers. Oops, that is a duplicate. You can also customize the message, or you can use text instead of numbers. So use the combination of counting and data validation to get rid of duplicate values. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.